Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn about Newton's laws of motion, step by step, with clear examples. Point 1. Newton's first law. Law of inertia. Newton's first law states that an object will stay at rest or keep moving at a constant velocity unless acted upon by a net external force. For example, a ball on the floor will not move unless you push it if it is rolling on the ground. It will eventually stop because of friction. Friction is an external force that slows it down. Formula. Net force equals 0. Sigma F equals 0. Acceleration is 0 when no net force is acting. A equals 0. This law is also called the law of inertia. It tells us that things resist changes in motion. Point 2. Newton's second law. Law of acceleration. Newton's second law explains how force, mass, and acceleration are related. It states that the net force on an object equals its mass multiplied by its acceleration. Formula. F equals ma, where F is force in newtons, m is mass in kilograms. Is acceleration in meters per second squared. If you want to find acceleration, use A equals F slash MIF. You want to find mass, use M equals F slash A. Example. If you push a light cart in a heavy cart with the same force, the light cart will accelerate faster. That's because the mass is smaller. Point 3. Newton's third law. Action and reaction. Newton's third law states, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Formula. F underscore action equals F underscore reaction. For example, when you jump from a boat to the shore, the boat moves backward. Your action on the boat causes the boat to react in the opposite direction. Small blue diamond. Additional formulas related to motion. Weight. W equals mg, where g equals 9.8 meters per square second on Earth. Momentum. P equals mv impulse. F delta T equals friction force. F underscore F equals mu n, where mu is the coefficient of friction and n is the normal force. Kinetic energy. K equals 1/2 mv superscript 2. Sparkle's summary first law. Sigma F equals 0 second law. F equals ma third law. Action equals minus reaction weight. W equals mg momentum. P equals mv friction. F underscore F equals mu n. That's all for Newton's laws of motion. Remember, the first law tells us about inertia. The second law tells us about force and acceleration. And the third law tells us about action and reaction. If you understood this, you can now solve motion problems easily and explain them clearly. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep exploring the wonders of physics.